make America great again. A vote for Trump is where it begins. We'll be walking tall and talking proud like one time we did, when Donald makes America great again. And he'll make America great again. There's too many illegals in our streets, too many politicians lying to you and me, and China is playing America for a fool. I say it's time for Trump, what say you? He'll bring all this BS to an end, and he'll make America great again. Make America great again. A vote for Trump is where it begins. We'll be walking tall and talking proud like one time we did, when Donald makes America great again. And he'll make America great again.